In this video, we're diving into the TikTok Syndicate program, a course, community, and coaching program built to help creators grow on TikTok and make money, especially through the TikTok shop. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff so you can figure out whether these online courses are worth your time, your money, and your energy. Now, there are a lot of platforms out there claiming they'll help you hit 10K a month, or scale to 6 figures, or unlock secret strategies that average creators don't know about. And honestly, it's hard to know which ones are legit and which ones are just overpriced PDFs. So today, we're breaking down the Creators Syndicate, or the TikTok Syndicate, from a balanced, neutral point of view. I'm gonna walk you through what they offer, what people are actually getting, what real members say, and the type of creator that this would actually help. So, the TikTok opportunity. So before we get into the program, let's talk about why programs like this even exist. TikTok is one of the most powerful platforms right now for reach, discovery, and fast growth. You probably already know that, but a lot of people don't realize just how unique TikTok is compared to Instagram, YouTube, or any other social media platform. On TikTok, follower count matters way less than content quality and how people respond to your videos. You can create a brand new account today, post something that hits a certain nerve, and wake up with 200,000 views. Doesn't happen every day, but it happens a lot more often on TikTok than anywhere else. And the monetization landscape has exploded. TikTok Shop lets creators earn affiliate commissions promoting physical products. You can make short videos for brands and earn retainers. You can create user-generated content. You can sell digital products. You can push people to your email list or business. And of course, there's the creator fund and other bonuses. But the catch, and you probably know this if you've ever tried posting, is that it's not enough to just show up and post random videos. TikTok is a very formula-driven, behind the scenes, even if it feels casual on the surface. You need good hooks, tight pacing, a clean message, and the ability to repeat what works. And on top of that, the algorithm constantly evolves. What worked 6 months ago doesn't always work today. That's basically why programs like the Creators Syndicate exist. They're trying to give creators structure, guidance, and shortcuts so they're not reinventing the wheel every time they post. What Creators Syndicate Premium actually is. All right, now let's talk about the actual program. So from the info available, the Creators Syndicate Premium is a one-time purchase priced at $2,500 at the time of recording. And the whole point of it is helping creators grow on TikTok and make money, primarily through TikTok Shop. The program is built as a mix of video training, coaching and community, courses from creators who have scaled accounts, scripts and templates, and access to their software tools. So one of the biggest selling points that they push across their products is their TikTok Shop system. How to find products, promote them, go viral, and earn commissions. They claim that they've personally done millions in GMV, gross merchandise volume, across their TikTok Shop accounts. And just from their product pages alone, you can tell that they have a whole ecosystem of offers at different price points. Everything from a $10 exclusive info pack to a $39.99 TikTok Shop accelerator pack to a $2,250 Discord membership to a $5,000 Creators Den tier that includes one-to-one coaching and assistance from a team doing $1 million in GMV each month. What the course promises. The program promises a very clear outcome. Learn the secrets to making $10,000 per month on TikTok Shop. Now, obviously that headline is meant to grab attention. Whether or not someone actually hits $10,000 depends on effort, niche, consistency, and probably a little bit of luck. But that's the angle they're teaching. TikTok Shop growth. From the descriptions, here are the main things. Premium membership. Premium members get step-by-step TikTok Shop education. This explains how TikTok Shop works, how to pick products that convert, and how to create short videos that drive sales. The training is meant to appeal to beginners who've never posted, but also creators who already have a TikTok presence and want to add shop income. 2, short form video training. This is where they break down hooks, pacing, storytelling, and how to make videos that are simple but high converting. A lot of their marketing focuses on short and simple affiliate videos, so that seems to be their sweet spot. 3, 3, access to their SaaS tools. This is actually unique. Not all creator programs include a software suite. According to their product page, premium members get a combined toolkit that includes 11 Labs for voiceovers, shop data for product insights, ChatGPT tools, and other AI helpers. 4, community and coaching sessions. You get access to their Discord or community space, depending on which tier, where you can ask questions, get feedback, and see what other people are working on. Coaching calls include calls with the community, calls with brands, calls with 8-figure copywriters, a mix of perspectives across the TikTok shop space. 5, templates and scripts. Members get actual scripts that the team uses to generate millions of dollars in GMV. These scripts are for TikTok Shop Lives, affiliate videos, and other short-form content. 6, a realistic approach to growth. Based on the reviews, they seem to be honest about the fact that success isn't instant. Members mention the information is valuable, but they also emphasize that it requires actual work. So even though the marketing leans big, the creators internally seem to frame the experience more realistically. What members are saying. So one thing that stood out immediately, out of 106 reviews, Creator Syndicate scores a 4.8 out of 5. And these reviews aren't one-sentence throwaways. They're detailed, and a lot of them mention something specific that they liked. Some common themes across the reviews include that it's packed with high-value info. Multiple people say that the course is full of practical, organized information. Comments like from start to finish and flows smoothly. So this shows that the lesson seems well-structured. 2, better than expected for the price. One person literally called it the best $200 spent, but that may refer to one of their smaller products, probably the TikTok Shop Accelerator Pack. But the point still stands. People generally feel like they got their money's worth. 3, clearly organized. Many reviews highlight the layout, saying that everything is easy to follow, even for beginners. 4, honest about the work required. Several reviews mention that this is not for the people who want to sit back and expect instant success. One reviewer literally said, if you're not the type to sit through videos, then this isn't for you. 5, strong community. While not every review mentions the community, the ones that do talk about it very positively. People giving feedback, creators sharing wins, and a very supportive atmosphere. 6, fast updated material. People saying things like everything's mapped out, which suggests that they keep the course updated and relevant to current TikTok trends. Now, of course, these are all reviews from their own platform. You always have to take that with a grain of salt, but nothing in the reviews sounds fake or over the top. They sound like real people who were pleasantly surprised. Now let's go over the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Lots of actionable information. Nothing in this program looks vague. It all seems very tactical, directly tied to TikTok Shop, hooks, scripting, and product selection. It includes software tools. So not every course includes AI tools, 11 Labs, shop data, and proprietary research software. That adds a lot of real value. Community-driven support. Having a group of creators pushing in the same direction is motivating, and the team appears very active. Clear focus on monetization. They don't just teach you to grow for vanity metrics. They teach you to earn through TikTok Shop. Now for the cons. Their flagship course is $2,500 all the way up to $5,000+, depending on the tier. That's a serious investment. Heavy reliance on TikTok's algorithm. If TikTok Shop cools down or the algorithm shifts, the strategies may need updating. It's not for casual creators. Multiple reviewers say that this is for people who are willing to put in the work. If you aren't going to stay consistent, it's probably not worth it. Limited platform diversity. This is a TikTok-focused program. You won't learn YouTube, Instagram, or long-form content strategies here. So, the TikTok Syndicate, or the Creator Syndicate, is one of those programs that clearly has a loyal audience and a strong reputation. The reviews are consistently high. The content seems to be organized well. At the same time, it's not cheap, and no program, not even a $5,000 one, can guarantee that you'll hit $10,000 months. TikTok Shop is unpredictable. What works today might change in 6 months. So overall, if you're serious, motivated, and ready to put in the work, then this looks like it has the structure and support to help you get there faster. But if you're on the fence or just dipping your toes into TikTok, then you probably don't need to jump straight into the premium tier. So if you want to get started with this program, we've got the link for you down in the description below. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission if you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.